boxes. Surprise unboxing. Let's go. Yo, woo.
Yes, hello mga Kadets Entertainment. Nandito natin ang ating order ng Shein. Unboxing for our surprise gift for our Christmas. Let's go! Yes, Bella! Ayan, gusto ni Bella. Nabubuksan na kagad ang ating in-order. Okay, dumating na po ang order from Shein. Okay, dito na guys, bubuksan na natin kung anong naman. Yan. May toothpaste and toothbrush para kay Bella and Ashley. Yes, from Shein. Yan ang order natin guys for today's Christmas. Yan, importante guys, meron silang pang toothpaste ng toothbrush at pagkatapos maligo guys. Yan ang order natin guys. Meron din tayong Christmas Family Squad. Yan. Yan ang pampahay. Yes. Thank you for watching. Bye!